easy go.
What is up, y'all? Today is going to be something just a little bit different. Everybody has chaos in their life, and they end up dropping things in their house, and stuff gets cluttered really quick. A lot of us have busy lives. So today we're going to take a moment and do a clean the office challenge, and we're just going to clean up this room. As you can see, there's a little bit of everything everywhere right now, so I'm going to tidy this room up a little bit, make it a little bit easier because we've got someone coming to stay in the guest bed next week. So yeah, this is going to be a clean your office challenge or clean your room challenge or whatever you want to call it. Yeah, I'll shoot some B-roll of some of the clutter, and then yeah, we'll time-lapse cleaning it up and then do another B-roll compilation at the end of it and see what else we get into today. By the way, there's something in this room that is brand new that I can't wait to use and show y'all and use in some of our other work. I'm super stoked. It's something that I've wanted for a long time. But yeah, first we gotta clean the office and do the adult thing. So yeah, roll that B-roll.
Once I was 7 years old, my mama told me, go make yourself some friends or you'll be lonely. Once I was 7 years old. It was a big, big world, but we thought we were bigger, pushing each other to the limits. We were learning quicker. By 11, smoking herb and drinking burning liquor. Never rich, so we were out to make that steady figure. Once I was 11 years old, my daddy told me, go get yourself a wife or you'll be lonely. Once I was 11 years old.
And there you have it. That is going to be the clean your room or clean your office challenge. That is it. So kids, if you're watching this, try it. It actually looks kind of cool in here now. Now I can work a whole lot easier. Em can work at her desk a whole lot easier, and that's what matters. So thanks for jumping in and watching this, and I'm gonna go ahead and challenge John Walls. Seeing as how I got this idea from you, I'm gonna challenge you to do it too. I'm gonna challenge my roommate, James Ashley. Clean up my basement, bro. Cool. We'll catch y'all next time. Peace.
Most of my boys are with me, some are still out seeking glory, and some I had to leave behind. My brother, I'm still sorry.